How to retrieve a deleted page on Facebook. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to retrieve a deleted page on Facebook. First, go to the Facebook app and log in to your account. Reach the menu bar at the bottom right corner. Next, scroll down and tap on Pages shown here. Here you will find all the pages, and go back. Now tap on Settings and Privacy and select the Settings option. After that, go to the Account Center and choose the Personal Details option. Then, you will find all your personal details and contact info. Go back and use the search bar to search for the Download Your Information option. You can tap on Reach Past Requests to see your expired requests. Hit the Download or Transfer Information button and select your account. Lastly, choose your information type and select a date range to create a file. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.